Namaskar and good morning. Today we will look at Gujarat Ambuja Exports Limited. This company is focusing on agro processing, trading and mainly exports competing in the global market. The company is one of India's major manufacturer and exporter of edible oil, refined soya bean oil, refined palm oil, refined RBD palmolin and refined cotton seed, starch and derivatives. Many product names are there like maltodextrin, dextrin, dextrose, monohydrate, sorbitol, maize starch, liquid glucose, defatted soya flour and so on. I'm not going to mention all those things. The management consists of Manish Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director. Sandeep Agarwal, Whole-Time Director. Manish Gupta, Chairman and Managing Director. Sandeep Agarwal, Whole-Time Director. Let's look at the quarterly results. Net sales, 989 crores. Very near to 1000 crores. 989 crores in the latest Q2 FY21 quarter. Previous quarter 828 crores. And year ago quarter 908 crores. So net sales are hovering between 900 to 1000 crores for the last 5 quarters. And year on year improvement is 8.91%. Quarter on quarter improvement is 19.4%. Will it go beyond 1000 crores? Likely. Let us see. Net profit is 72.9 crores. Previous quarter, that is Q4, 37.3, almost half. Year ago quarter, September 19, that is Q2 FY20, is 14.6. Look at that. Net profit was just 14.6 crores in year ago quarter and 37.3 crores in the previous quarter and now 72.9 crores. So year on year improvement is a huge 401% and quarter on quarter improvement is 95%. Will it repeat? Will it stay? We don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Equity is 22.93 crores. Basic EPS is 6.36, which is double that of the previous quarter, 3.26 and 4 times that of the year ago quarter, 1.27 then. So 401% improvement in EPS just like profit. So net sales improved by 8.91% year on year, net profits improved by 401%, basic EPS 401%. So latest quarter is a glittering quarter for this company. Exports are very heavy. Market price is 122 rupees. Price earning is very low at 4.79. Price earning has been low for this company all along. Market price is also low at 122. Volumes are good, 1,72,000. So buying and selling is easy. 52-week low is 42.53, 52-week high is 130.7. So current market price 122 is very close to 52-week high. Now let us see how it has fared in the last 5 years. 5 years ago, March 2016, the sales were 2,736 crores. Now, then 3,333 crores next year, March 2017. March 2018, 3,364 crores. March 2019, 4,021 crores. March 2020, 3,816 crores. So, 5 years ago, 2,700, now 3,800. So, very good improvement. But I think there is a lot of scope more further. We'll have to wait and see. But the improvement is not very great. Net profit also from 100 crores to 145 crores. In between previous year 198 crores was there. So it is hovering up and down and up and down. 100, 158, 179, 198, now 145. Previous year, March 2020, 145 crores. So 5-year performance is topsy-turvy, but there is scope for improvement. That's what it shows. Market cap is 2,784 crores. Price earning is 12.7. Book value is 57.84. Dividend percentage is 50%, and so on. Now, cash flows, if you look at that, operating activities 240 crores. Investment activities always minus 59 crores. Financing activities minus 97. Net cash 84. Impressive. Latest is, that is March 2020, is net cash flow is 84 crores. Very, very impressive. March 2020 basic EPS 12.72. Book value 115. Dividend 1 rupee, face value 2 rupees. So that means 50%. Margin ratios, if you look at that, gross profit margin is 7.63, operating margin is 4.99, net profit margin is 3.82. They have not improved over the last 5 years. Margins have not improved over the last 5 years. Return on net worth is 10.99%, ROC is 13.73%. Return on assets is 8.4%. It has actually come down. Debt equity ratio is 0.1. Almost there is no debt. Interest coverage ratio is 20.93. Very good. Turnover ratio, asset turnover ratio is 219. Inventory turnover 6. It's okay. Now, historical pricing, if you see, 3 years before, the price was 81, now 123, 52% improvement. 2 years before, price was 121, now 123, no improvement. 1 year before, 71.93, it had fallen, so improvement is 72. 3 months before, it was 75. So, price is low always. Price improvement is not significant at all. 3 years, there is not much improvement. Dividend, it is giving 50% dividend during the last 2 years, and interim 50%, final 50%, like that. Shareholding pattern, if you see, promoters hold 63.84%, pledge is 0. That's very good. There is no pledge. The promoter equity percentage is 63.84, very good. So, Gujarat Ambuja exports is improving always, but very slowly. It has its strengths. The exports are going on well, but improvements are very less. It is improving. Cash flows are improving. Everything is improving, but slowly. So, that's the problem. Now, it's up to you. Gujarat Ambuja exports has scored very well in the latest quarters, 400% improvement in the net profit. But can it repeat in the next quarter? That we'll have to wait and see. Q2 is good. Earlier quarters very insignificant. Earlier years very insignificant. But latest quarter is very good. Exports are always standard. Improvements are limited. Good exports, no doubt. But improvements are limited. But latest quarter net profit margin has improved very well. Now, will it sustain this profit margin? Can it grow its exports more? That we have to wait and see. In COVID situation, they have done well. Let us see. Thank you for listening. Gujarat Ambuja Exports is a steady company. I can't say great. I can't say it is a multi-bagger. But it is a steady company. There is no doubt. Thank you.